Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Planyo. Planyo, located at planyo.com, is a robust online booking and reservation platform. This comprehensive system facilitates the management of bookings for a diverse range of businesses, from rental services and events to tours and courses. Its adaptable features cater to various needs, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small independent ventures to larger, more complex operations. Planyo offers a rich set of tools designed to streamline the booking process. These tools include online payments, automated notifications, and customizable booking forms. The platform also provides detailed reporting and analytics, enabling businesses to track key metrics and optimize their operations. Furthermore, Planyo integrates seamlessly with a variety of external applications and services, further enhancing its functionality and utility. One of Planyo's standout features is its flexibility. The platform can be tailored to accommodate a wide array of specific requirements, allowing businesses to configure the system to precisely match their unique business models. This customization extends to various aspects of the booking process, including pricing, availability, and customer communication. This level of adaptability makes Planyo a versatile solution for businesses across numerous industries. Planyo empowers businesses to manage their reservations efficiently, minimizing administrative overhead and maximizing revenue. The intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy for both businesses and customers to navigate the platform. Additionally, Planyo's secure infrastructure ensures the protection of sensitive data, providing peace of mind for all parties involved. Whether you're managing appointments, rentals, or events, Planyo offers a comprehensive and reliable booking solution. It simplifies the process, making it easier for businesses to connect with customers and grow their operations. Explore Planyo today and discover how it can transform your booking management.